Hi guys, another charity shop find. This little train set, which is Dinosaur Train, one of the children's TV programs. Cost me £1.50 in a charity shop. I put fresh batteries in it. It just takes two AAA batteries, so it's pretty low powered. I've had to put a little bit of weight on the very front there to keep the drive wheels in contact with the track, because it's a bit lightweight, and with the camera on the back there it's actually struggling to make headway, but with that bit of weight on there it's okay. I think there should be flashing LEDs on there as well, but they don't seem to work. But for £1.50 I'm quite happy with that. Just a bit of fun. Dinosaur Train. No music playing either, which quite a few of my viewers will be thankful for. A lot of these trains have got sound effects and music, whereas certainly at the moment this one's not making any noise. So there we go, charity shop, gold or garbage, for £1.50. This is gold. The only thing is I'll probably bag it up and take it back to another charity shop now that I've had my fun with it. I actually get the feeling it's getting slightly faster as it's wearing itself back in again. It probably hasn't been played with for ages. There's a little bit of corrosion on the battery terminals, but not much. That'll do. Just for reference, the start and stop button is the funnel or chimney.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.